Hey everybody, we are going through and propagating our oregano. So I want to shoot a quick video to talk about what we're doing here. So we harvested all these bags of oregano and sage from the garden. We're going through the oregano now. And what we're doing is we're looking for stems that are like this. And what I mean by like this, I mean ones that are not super woody. So you see this one is really hard and woody. This one will not produce roots very well, but these younger ones that are more tender produce roots a lot easier. So what we do is we strip off the bottom leaves like that. Then we dip it in water. We dip it in this rooting hormone here, which helps it produce roots faster. And then we just stick it in these little transplanters that we've got. And then we're gonna put these under grow lights, and it'll take them about 3 to 4 weeks to develop roots. We'll keep them indoors mostly throughout the winter. We're gonna be giving out a lot of oregano to friends and family and stuff soon. So that's why we're making all these. So we'll start dispersing these around the holiday time. But anyway, this is a way that you can take one oregano plant and make a lot more out of it. So it's really simple to do. And then with the leaves that we peel off, we just put them in a cup, and we're gonna go through and make some oregano pesto, and we're gonna also dry a bunch of them and preserve them that way. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know.